Hey everyone! Ever designed a great 3D model in SketchUp but needed to finish the technical details in AutoCAD? Today, I'm showing you the cleanest way to export your DWG files so they open perfectly in AutoCAD, ready for editing. Let's jump in. Step 1. Set your view for 2D editing. If you want to edit your model as a flat floor plan in AutoCAD, you need to change your camera first. Go to Camera/Standard Views/Top. Then go back to the camera menu and select Parallel Projection. This removes the 3D perspective so your lines are flat and measurable. Step 2. Export as a 3D model. Even for 2D plans, it's often better to go to File/Export/3D Model. Select AutoCAD DWG from the dropdown. Using the 3D export option helps keep your geometry from being exploded into thousands of tiny segments, making it much easier to edit in AutoCAD. Step 3. Match the AutoCAD version. Click the Options button before you save. Under AutoCAD version, choose a version that is older than or equal to the AutoCAD software you own. If you're on AutoCAD 2024, exporting as a 2018 DWG is a safe bet for compatibility. Click OK and then Export. Now open AutoCAD and use the Open command to find your file. When it opens, your SketchUp layers will usually appear as AutoCAD layers. The first thing you should do is type the command units to make sure your AutoCAD workspace matches the inches or millimeters you used in SketchUp. Now you can use the trim, extend, or offset commands just like any other CAD drawing. If the model came in as one big block, simply select it and type explode to break it down into individual lines you can move and edit. You're all set to finish your technical drafting. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.